Electricity is a large domain of study in physics, focusing on phenomena associated with the presence and movement of an electric charge. It has been exhibited in the Maxwell's equations that electricity is also linked to magnetism. It can be observed in many phenomena, such as lightning, electric heating, static electricity, and many others. And since the first voltaic pile, created in 1800 by Alessandro Volta, electricity has greatly contributed to almost all human discoveries. So let's discover more about it, and especially about the notion of electric charge. The electric charge is a fundamental property of matter that allows it to interact through electromagnetic fields. It is a scalar quantity, expressed in Coulomb, playing for the electromagnetic interaction, the same role as the mass for the gravitational interaction. Like the mass, it is an abstract notion helping to explain physical observations. However, unlike the mass, there are two types of electric charges, distinguished by their signs, positive or negative. Two charges of the same nature, two positive charges for example, repel each other, while two charges of opposite nature attract each other. This phenomenon is called electromagnetic interaction, and the force of this interaction is given by the Coulomb's law. Since the Robert Millikan's 1909 experiment, it has been shown that electric charge is quantized. It means that any charge is an integer multiple of the elementary charge. This elementary charge, denoted E, is a physics constant which corresponds to the absolute value of the electron's charge. The electron has a charge of -E, and the proton has a charge of +E. The presence of an electric charge, positive or negative, produces an electric field. The movement of electric charges is an electric current, producing a magnetic field. Finally, the electric current can have different causes: a flow of negative particles, for example in a metallic conductor, or a flow of positive particles, or a flow of negative and positive particles in opposite directions, for example in an ionic solution.